Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stabilize your shaky footage using Filmora 9. Here I have my example clip already on the timeline. In order to stabilize your footage, you can right-click on the clip, select Stabilizer at the pop-up menu. Or, you can double-click on the clip, and find the stabilization option at the Video tab. Once you checked the box, the program will start analyzing your footage and lets you choose smoothness level later. Once the process is done, you will be able to adjust your footage smoothness level with this slider. Being noticed that when you increase the smoothness level, the clip will be zoom in and vice versa. So don't go too far with this slider. Let's select 10% and preview the result. It's just a little better than the original clip. That's the end of today's video. If you have any question, leave your comment below. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next tutorials. Bye for now.